Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing really good. We're doing some fun, fast single track, and I'm taking you guys to the top of the mountain today, so I'm gonna get some cool drone shots. So stick around, gonna be fun. Well, you guys, the conditions are absolutely unbelievably awesome. You know how you get into spring, summer, and it's still nice and warm and the ground's wet like that? Traction is phenomenal. Yeah, I love it when it's like this. Why can't it be spring year-round? So we're gonna conquer some big hills here in a minute. I'm gonna, like I said last year in my adventure riding lessons, you know, I did 3 or 4 videos already. I'm gonna do a whole bunch more as well. I want to cover a bunch of different hills, both going up and going down. I know a lot of people have trouble with hills, and it's one of the things that I really enjoy. You know, I've done them all my life living in Canada. Since I first started to ride a motorcycle, I was climbing crazy hills, so not too many hills bother me, as you'll see here in a minute. All right, this one's a little loose and rocky actually, so just keeping the bike momentum up is the key to this one. Nothing to it. See that? This is mega steep too. I know I always say it. Doesn't look steep, but trust me, I doubt you could walk up that. Nicely done, Heddletown. Okay. Do you guys remember this area? There's that little silly quad. Some kids must have painted it up or something and stole it a few years ago. This is the area I did my winter video, my most recent Christmas video. If you want to go back and check that out, that's several videos ago, but it's worth a watch. I think I took some drone footage for that Christmas video, and it's a little overcast, so it didn't turn out real good. So we're getting quite a bit of blue sky today, so I'm hoping I can redo some of that drone footage because it's a pretty epic location. So, okay, epic hill number 2. Sorry if my camera angle's weird, you guys. It's hard to check it when I'm standing up because I can't look down at my thing. I always set it for when I'm sitting, and then it's pretty good. But I know when I stand, it gets a little weird. So that's just because we're going up stupid steep hills, and this one is no exception. Yeah, that hill gets more gnarly every year. I don't even know which line to do. I think we'll do the middle one. Hold on to your Wheaties. Nice. Pays to have power and traction, I'll tell you that. Love it. Want more of it. Okay. Those silly kids, every time I come up on this hill, we got a new trail. Actually, this isn't new. I probably made this 30 years ago and just forgot about it. LOL. Cool. It's a cool little trail nonetheless. Should be a road around here somewhere, right here. What's going on with my son? Come on. It's a bit faster paced today. I have to stand, so again, I'm sorry for the camera angle if it's, well, I won't know what it's like till I get back home. Hopefully it's high enough. Let me know in the comments if you guys have that issue too. Like I always set, see now I'm sitting, So I think my camera angle should be pretty awesome. But as soon as you stand, you know, you kind of always take that stance where you're looking down. I'll show you guys where I am here. We're almost to the big lookout up there. You can at least see the lake down there a little bit. It's a lake I was racing around on my CR500 this winter. Oh yeah, it looks nasty over there. Look at that. Snow up in the hills. Crappy. I gotta hurry and get some drone shots. They look so much better when it's sunny, like 100% better. As you guys all know, most of these drones don't have super good, you know, the smaller drones anyways, don't have huge sensors in them, so the picture quality is not real good. Or I should say the low light performance is not all that great. That's why I always try and do my drone shots when it's sunny, which it kinda is. I might get lucky here. Here we are at the big lookout. Now you can just see several lakes from here. The lake that's down there is actually, I think it's 100 miles long or very close to it. It's big anyway. I don't know if, can you guys see that plane? Probably not way up there. How'd you like to be flying into that? Looks like a bit of a snow/rain storm or something. Flying right into it. Cool area back in here. Hey you guys, I'll show you this one stump we were launching off here a couple of years ago. Gets right, where the heck is it? Oh, it's right there. Check this out. I'll blast up a picture. Isn't that the most perfect jump? But look at that thing's like 4 feet high. I got a picture on my CR500 with the wheel right, my rear wheel. Epic shot. It's a little dark in here, but I'll slam a picture up. Check it out. Pretty funny. So yeah, if you guys dig videos like this with the big old 690 here, ooh, I can still wheelie it. If you guys did, oh look at all that snow. What the heck's going on there? It's supposed to be out of that. Oh, big moose there. See that? Moose poops. Yeah, so like I was saying, if you guys dig these 690 dual sport videos, definitely let me know in the comments, you guys, because that's one of the issues I have with my YouTube channel. I never know, you know, so when I post dual sport videos, guys say, why don't you post the CR500 videos? And when I do that, they post, where's the 300 enduro videos? And so I'd like to definitely, you know, I'm curious what the biggest, you know, the majority on my channel is into. I'm assuming dual sports because they're so user friendly, you know, you can do pretty much everything on a dual sport. But yeah, I like to do trials videos and everything, so let me know what you guys like the most. Helps me plan my future videos is what I'm trying to say. Here's that straight stretch I did on the CR500 a few years ago. Pin it to win it. Oh, I'm gonna lose my camera. That's fun to feel the power. I wonder if you guys can see the colors around the shore. Our lakes look like Hawaii. Even though this is Canada, we've got this weird jade color around our lakes. It's pretty cool. Pretty picturesque, is that the word? Beautiful. I see them fields. I can get into those fields too, actually. I haven't been there in years, but I can just tell you, I think years and years ago they used to, you know, get straw out of there or hay or whatever, but it's just virtually perfectly smooth, so you can do like drag your foot pegs, carving corners and fifth gear wheelies, and yeah, I need to get over there. It's awesome. Picturesque. I should pop, no, I'll pop the drone up next time. I already got some good footage with the drone, so there's lots of lakes around my area. Okay, shortcut number 1. Where's my little trail? This is steep. Like, not steep, but steep. Yikes. If you got off this little trail, you'd be going straight down and should be a little gnarly. Oh boy, it's definitely, yeah, it's steep. Bike doesn't even want to stop. Nothing to her. Shortcut number 1. That looks steeper from here, doesn't it? Alright, shortcut number 2. This thing with Canada, it's so darn steep. Well, BC is anyway. You can connect all the roads literally by going down the side of the mountain. So yeah, right on you guys. I sure appreciate everybody checking out all my stuff. Make sure you check out some of the riding lessons and stuff I give. I've done a few adventure lessons and that, and I've got quite a few off-road, you know, enduro type ones. I don't know how many is in there, 10 or 11 episodes or something, so make sure you check those out. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close the video out, you guys. So thanks for watching. Definitely drop some comments below, you guys. Let me know what you think of this kind of stuff. Give me an old thumbs up. That's always cool. And in the description below, you guys, like that picture there, it's got all my links to my social media and Patreons there if you guys want to help, you know, grow the channel. I'm starting to get up, you know, I've got 15,000 subscribers now, so that's, in the big picture, that's not a ton, but it's starting to get going good. So the more time, you know, the bigger it gets, the more time I'll be able to spend on it. So right on. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.